the Vadio Track View camera system. These are absolutely loaded with gold, silver, aluminum, and brass. And you might be wondering, how did I know that? I didn't know that. I just tore it down and found out. Now, before anyone says, hey, you can sell those for a lot of money, I did some research. I looked them up on eBay. They're going for $20 to $30, but they're not a hot item. I have no way to test it and make sure it works, so I don't really want to post it online, sell it, ship it, and then have to answer to some people wondering why I sold them something that doesn't work. It was given to me as scrap, so it's going as scrap. So I actually had these for a little while. They were sitting in one of my totes of stuff that needs to be processed. And, you know, I was just tearing some stuff down earlier, wasn't recording it or anything. But I got about 3/4 of the way through and I was thinking, man, I wish I would have recorded this to show you guys. And thankfully, I have 2 of them. So this is what came from the first one. Nice thick gold platings. Some gold there. Gold all the way across. All those little input sections are gold plated. I was hoping underneath this tracing would be gold, but it's not. It's all copper. But it's got some good gold. Of course, you've seen this one and some gold pins. Got gold connectors in there. Gold pins over here. Gold pins in here and there. All of these connectors have gold pins. Gold platings on that and a nice thick silver plating on this board. Some more smaller gold platings on this one and a couple IC chips. And the entire casing of this thing is aluminum. Thick, solid, good aluminum. There's also a handful of brass in there. So I'm gonna break this one down so you guys can see. And we can get excited again to see some more of that gold coming out of there. The whole entire housing is aluminum. Even the top piece and all the sides are also aluminum. Some good gold pins in these connectors. The only part I was disappointed about tearing up the first one is I was assuming each one of these push buttons had a corresponding gold plating on the back. And it doesn't. Yeah, like I said, when I took the first one apart, I was thinking each one of those buttons would have a nice gold plating, and they don't. But there's some gold flashing here, a couple IC chips, and some gold pins on the back of this one. And another healthy piece of aluminum. Some really nice gold on those connectors. Every one of these has gold in them. The phone connectors, this port, all of that is gold. There's gold pins in here. Those legs on those switches, whatever those switches are fully gold plated. Nice big chunk of aluminum. And under that aluminum is a solid strip of silver. Some more connector plugs with gold pins in them. Here's a little trick, if y'all didn't know. Y'all run across these, they're usually brass. Sometimes they'll be aluminum or metal, but most often they're brass. 1/4-inch drive will take them right out of there. So you ain't wasting time with pliers or whatever else. Little handful of clean brass. Those little screws are usually brass too. For whatever reason on this, they're not. They appear to be brass. Even when you hit them with the file, they shine yellow, but they're slightly magnetic. So we're not going to throw those in with our brass today. We're just going to toss them with the screws and whatnot. And there we go, another nice chunk of clean aluminum. And here's the part I got so excited for on the first one, is all that gold plating under this piece. What? Wowzers. Now somebody explain this to me. What in the world just happened? What in the world just happened here? Identical boards. Track View PCB 190 7002 Rev D. 7002 Rev D, copyright 2005, Photo Control Corporation. These are identical boards. I guess they're not. This one's a dark green. This one's a lighter green. Has a number here. This one doesn't have it. Gray and black. I didn't even notice, but all the platings on this one are silver, where this one is gold. Even up in here, we've got gold and silver. All of this is gold and silver. That is false advertising. Oh my gosh, y'all. And I was so excited to show y'all the gold under there. I can't believe this. I keep wiping it thinking maybe there's some white on there gonna come off, but it's not. It's silver. It's all silver plate. I wonder if that means this one's gold underneath. Nope. Silver and silver. That's a shame. That's a real shame, y'all. So silver and silver, but we'll take what we can get. This one had gold, so we'll just be happy about that. Maybe we'll process these silver later, but in the meantime, I'll depopulate all of this. Still has some good stuff on it. Thick gold pins, big gold band oscillators. Every one of these plugs has gold pins in them, except for this, but these do. So we'll process those and get them added into our high grade gold pins. Not a bad score, even with the second one being silver, but that really is a bummer. I didn't expect that at all. I'm curious to see how much aluminum was in all of that. A little over 3 pounds of aluminum. So about $1 worth of aluminum here where I live. And of course I'll be melting all this down into clean aluminum ingots. I sell them for $3 to $4 a piece online. So maybe closer to $9 or $10 in aluminum here. And we've got the Handful of clean brass. Not bad. Could have been better, but not bad. This thing here confuses me. I'm not really sure exactly what's in it. I tried to get into the other one, cutting it open and whatnot. Seems like a large IC chip here on copper. Not sure I can get anything out of it. I might smash it up and see what I can get out, but I'll just take those gold pins off first and go from there. But that's it, guys. Kind of an epic fail that I didn't expect. Hopefully y'all got a laugh out of that. If you're not as surprised as I was definitely shocked to see that all silver underneath there. But hey, it is what it is. We're scrapping it. We love gold. We love silver, copper, brass, aluminum, all of it. We'll take it. So thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Like and share the videos. Scrap Daddy shenanigans, guys. Go out there and find some gold, copper, brass, aluminum, whatever there is. Get it out the trash, get it on the scale, and get paid. Thanks for watching.